welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm bringing you guys my Target haul. Now, I was gonna skip Target, and then I saw that they had a couple deals on Cartwheel, so I'm like, you know what, I guess I gotta go to Target. I feel like this week is just really not great for couponing anywhere. I mean, CVS and Walgreens are kind of bad, but I did find some good deals at Target. I found a lot of good food deals, so especially with school starting, it's great to have these as snacks. I found some stuff that I can pack up for Ben when he goes to school, so I'm pretty excited to share with you guys what I got. So I'm just gonna stop talking and let's just day in so I can share with you guys what I got. So I ended up getting Pop-Tarts. Now, I've been obsessed with Pop-Tarts lately. My favorite flavor is the strawberry one. But these are splits, so basically on one side it's the strawberry one and the next one is drizzled cheesecake. I am not a cheesecake kind of person. I do eat like one kind and that's it, and it's only from the Cheesecake Factory, but they have a deal right now with oh, I cannot speak. They have a deal with, why am I trying to talk? With Cartwheel that you guys can get 30% off. So you guys can get 30% off the splits. They also had vanilla milkshake that was 30% off. And then they had these Pop-Tarts Gone Nutty that you guys can do. So these are all 30% off. It's different deals, so if you guys want to do that. So what you guys want to do is these are all $2.09 a piece. There is a 30% deal off of Cartwheel for all these, so you guys can do the 30%. Hold on, honey. Then you guys can, there is a buy two get one free coupon that takes up to $2 off. So if you guys go to Kellogg's Family Rewards, which I highly recommend joining, because you guys can, Benjamin, just hold on, honey. You guys can scan your receipt and you got, Ben, can you please go upstairs? But you guys can scan your receipt and get points. You guys can also get really good coupons if you guys use your points towards coupons, but I don't do that. So, but I like to, I'm saving up my points. But right now you can also get free books, and I've gotten like a lot of free books already just by buying one box of Pop-Tarts. But anyways, so there's that coupon that you guys can print off that site. But you guys would pay $2.92 for all three of these. You guys can mix and match. You just have to have at least buy one splits Pop-Tarts according to the coupon. Now my coupon did have problems, but he entered it in anyways. So $2.92, it comes out to be just 97 cents a piece. So I think 97 cents a piece for Pop-Tarts is a pretty good deal. I've always just ate one kind, but I think the peanut butter one might sound pretty good. It kind of looks like a peanut butter cookie, and then I got the frosted chocolate and peanut butter. So we will see how those taste. The next deal I got is the Teddy Grahams. Now, these are, my price just went up because these used to be $2.09, but now they're $2.19. And right now there is a deal on Cartwheel where you guys can get 50%. So 50% off each one. So you guys would end up paying $2.19 for the both of these. But then you guys can submit a $1 off a $2 rebate on checkout 51. Making it just $1.19 for both of them, and I really like these. I have these as snacks while I'm at work. I just put some in a baggie and take them with me. So these are great snacks for the kids to have, and I like it how it has the reusable bag instead of like, you know, the box where you have to roll it up and then it gets bad so fast. So definitely want to do this. Now the other ones I think are 50% off also, but I know with the Cartwheel I gotta get the Teddy Grahams. So wanted to share with you guys with that deal. I ended up doing the Barilla Ready pasta. Now I really like this pasta because it's already like cooked. All you have to do is just heat it up, and then we just add some sauce to it. Usually we do Alfredo sauce, but this was on sale for $1.50. Now there is a $1 off coupon that you guys can print from redplum.com. So you guys would end up paying 50 cents for this, which I think is a great deal. But then you guys can also submit a $1 rebate on Saving Star if you added that offer. So you guys will end up getting this for a 50-cent moneymaker. Now, a lot of you guys ask, well, you can't use other deals. You might not. It says you can't, but still submit your receipt anyways. 95% of the time, I get approved for these items anyways, so just do it. But yeah, 50-cent moneymaker, and I actually really do like these kind of noodles, so got that going on. And then speaking of Barilla, I ended up doing the pesto sauce deal again. I know Walmart I think has these, but I know for sure Target has it, so I didn't want to, you know, I didn't want to like try a different store just in case, because I always go to Target first and then I go to Walmart. But Target had these for $2.89. You guys want to use that $1 off coupon that we got from a couple weeks ago. You guys would pay $1.89 for this, but then you guys can submit a $1 rebate on Ibotta, making it just 89 cents. Sorry, there was another rebate for this already. I think it was in Saving Star. I already submitted it. Otherwise, if you guys haven't already, it would be a moneymaker. So, ended up getting the pesto sauce. Now, okay, I got one more item. Food items. I got Kellogg's fruit snacks. Now, this isn't the greatest deal, but I still think it's a pretty good deal. So, the Kellogg's fruit snacks are also $2.09. They were $1.77, but now they're back to normal for $2.09. You guys want to use that $1 off of 2 coupon that we got from actually I think it was like the 7/29 Retail Me Not, so back in July. Otherwise, I think you could also print these off coupons.com. You guys would pay $3.18 for these, but then you guys can submit a 50-cent rebate and a 50-cent rebate, making it just $2.18 or $1.09. So I think $1.09 for a box of fruit snacks is a pretty good deal. There's 10 snacks in each box, and you guys can also submit your receipt for Kellogg's Family Rewards, so you guys can get, you know, some more points. So definitely do that. I do that all the time. I submit anything that I buy that's a Kellogg's brand. I submit it because it's free points and you guys can get gift cards with that stuff. If you guys are interested in me kind of doing a tutorial of that and showing you guys what rewards are available, let me know. I'm always into showing you guys how to get free stuff. So definitely let me know if you guys are interested in that. I ended up doing the Garnier Fructis deal because I hate how you can only use one of these coupons, but this is a pretty good deal. So these are $2.99. Now some of them are a different price, but I know the curl and then some other ones were $2.99. All hair care is 20% off right now with the Cartwheel app. So after that, it comes out to $2.39 a piece. But then you guys want to use a 3 off of 2 coupon that we got like, what, 2 weeks ago? So you guys would end up paying $1.78 for the both of these, or just 89 cents a piece, which I think is a pretty good deal if you guys are interested in something like that. I always try to pay $1 or less for each thing of shampoo and conditioner, so we got that going on. I ended up getting the Suave Men. Now, I ended up doing this deal at Target because there's just a little bit of a better deal with the apps, but you can still do this deal at Walmart. You just couldn't do one of the app deals. So these were $2.89. You guys want to use that 20% off hair care, so it comes out to $2.31. You guys would pay $2.31 for this. But then you guys can submit a 50-cent Ibotta rebate, and you guys can also submit a $1 rebate that's on checkout 51. And I also scanned my receipt, and I got 27 points on Fetch Rewards. Now, if you guys haven't joined Fetch Rewards, I definitely recommend it. Anytime you guys buy any items with the Unilever product on there, you guys get points, and then every 1,000 points you get, sorry, my son Benjamin, please stop. Every 1,000 points you guys get $1. Well, just by clicking my referral link right below, you guys end up getting 2,000 points, which is $2 already instantly. So just giving you guys a heads up on that. Benjamin, if you can't stop, you're not getting anything. He's on a diet of fruit snacks. So you guys would get this for $1.11 without the fetch rewards thing in there. So I think it's a pretty okay deal. So if you guys are interested in something like that, my total came to $14.22 for everything. I got $3.50 back with Ibotta. I got $2 back with Checkout 51, which I already got my money for that already. Savings Star, I got $1 back, which I'll find out tomorrow morning when I get that. And then I ended up getting 50 points for Fetch, the 27 points for the Swab Men, and then the other difference was for submitting my receipt. So I got everything for all 12 items for $7.72. That comes out to be just 64 cents a piece. So I think it's an okay deal. I mean, I always try to get 10 bucks or less on certain items, and I got a lot of food deals, so I'm pretty excited to share with you guys on that. But if you guys enjoy these types of videos, please let me know. Subscribe to my channel so I can show you guys more weekly updated videos, and I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.